all set now, ready to race race number 3. Anytime now, race number 3. And the race is on. From the outside, Fearless Boss rushing up the favorite, Princess Venda. Secret reach down on the inside. Maguindanao racing import by Darrell, Smiling Julia. Secret reach via Lenkenha, followed by Princess Venda in second. Maguindanao is now running in third by Lenkenha, Fearless Boss, Smiling Julia. Passing the half-mile post, Secret reach, followed by Princess Venda. Maguindanao racing on the outside third, and rounding the far turn, Princess Venda takes the lead by a neck, followed by Secret Reach. Maguindanao racing on the outside third, and 3 lengths corner back and forth, Fearless Boss as they race the last 500. Princess Venda in between runners, Maguindanao, Secret Reach, and moving up by Darrell, Fearless Boss as they race the last 250. The favorite, Princess Venda, by a length and a half, followed now by Fearless Boss, Secret Reach. Maguindanao on the further outside. Princess Venda, Maguindanao moving up to grab the lead. Maguindanao, Secret Reach by Darrell, Fearless Boss, and finally Maguindanao. Secret Reach, Fearless Boss, Princess Venda, Smiling Julia.
Okay, 3, 2, 4, 5, unofficial order of arrival. Napagtyagaan. Crossing the wire first, number 3, Maguindanao with John Alvin Guse. Daily